Hi, I'm Rainey with Finance Strategists. In this lesson, we're going to cover
a balance sheet is a document that shows the relationship between a company's assets, liabilities, and shareholder equity at a particular point in time. It can be used to calculate a company's net worth and is one of the 3 financial statements all companies are required to keep, including the cash flow statement and income statement. Anything with an economic value that a company owns counts towards its assets. It considers cash, equipment, property, rights, and more. Non-cash assets are thought of in terms of liquidity, or how easily the asset can be converted into cash. A company's assets minus its liabilities represent the net worth of a company and its resources. A company's liabilities refer to outstanding balances that reduce the effective financial power of a company. Debt from a loan or the issuance of bonds are examples of liabilities. Shareholder equity is the value of a company's assets minus its liabilities. This number, divided by the number of shares held, represents the value of each individual share. A balance sheet records the relationship between these 3 values. It is a freeze frame of a single point in time for a company, saying that at a particular moment, the company's assets are equal to X, their liabilities are equal to Y, so their shareholder equity is equal to Z. The balancing aspect comes into play as these values fluctuate. For example, Company A has $100,000 in assets and $20,000 in liabilities, resulting in a shareholder equity of $80,000. They take out a $10,000 loan from a bank, so their assets will increase to $110,000. Their liabilities will also increase by the same amount, to $30,000. Therefore, the shareholder equity remains at $80,000. As Company A pays off their loan, their liabilities and assets will both decrease by the same amount since it requires company assets to pay back the liability. The shareholder equity will remain in balance.
For more information, visit www.financestrategists.com. Finance Strategists, strategies for your future.